The beach's gentle waves and golden sands are perfect for leisurely days spent soaking in the sun. It's a quieter alternative to some of the more well-known beaches, offering a sense of seclusion without straying too far from the city. The surrounding tropical landscape adds to the beach's charm, providing a natural escape just moments away from the vibrant life of the capital. Praia Emilia Beach is an ideal location to relax and unwind, blending both natural beauty and convenience.